Hey there! In this video we're going to go over numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12 from our slope review number 2. That's LG 2.2 review number 2. Okay, let's get started by reading. It says you're going to buy some candy in bulk. You go to Sprouts and Winco and these are their offers. Calculate each of the slopes or unit rate of the stores and answer the questions. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Sprouts, you have $5 for 2 pounds of candy. At Winco, you have $2 per pound. Okay. Number 9 says, complete the tables for each rate, then graph and label each rate on the coordinate plane. Okay, so Sprouts, I think we need a little R in there, don't we? Sprouts. There we go. Sprouts, we're going to put the pounds over here on the left. So this is the X side, right? Because it's on the left. The X side is going to represent how many pounds. And then over here on the Y side, we're going to put how much money it costs, the dollars. And I'll just write a little dollar sign. Now for Winco, it's going to be the same. So I'll just copy that over pounds and dollars. Okay, so let's figure out the cost for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pounds. Now if you started your list at 0, that's perfectly correct also. I just chose to start mine at 1. But like I said, if you start at 0, you're all good. So what do we already know about the Sprouts candy? It's $5 for 2 pounds of candy, right? So let's go over here to it says 2 pounds. So we're going to find 2 pounds over here. And now how much was it for those 2 pounds? $5. So I'm just going to write 5.00 for $5. Okay, so if it's $5 for 2 pounds, how much is it for 1 pound? You got to take that $5 and divide it by 2, right? And when you do that, $5 divided by 2 is going to give you $2.50. So $2.50. Okay, so now we need to fill this in for 3, 4, and 5 pounds. So $2.50 times 3, you grab your calculators if you want. That's going to give you $7.50. What about $2.50 times 4? That's going to give us $10 even. And then $2.50 times 5 is going to be $12.50. Like I said, totally fine if you need a calculator for that, but if you like counting up by $2.50 increments, that works too. So we have this filled out for Sprouts. Let's go over to Winco. Right here, Winco. Now remind me, it said Winco was $2 per pound. Okay, so let's write out our pounds. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pounds again. And it says $2 for how many pounds? Well, per pound, so that means per 1 pound. So beside that 1, we're going to write $2. But we're going to write it like 2.00. All right. So if it's $2 for 1 pound, how much is it for 2 pounds? You just multiply that 2 by 2, right? And you're going to get 4. And what about 3 pounds? You go $2 times 3 is going to give us $6. Now for 4 pounds, let's see, $2 times 4 is going to give us 8 pounds. And what about 5 pounds? $2 times 5 is going to give us 10 pounds. I mean, $10. There we go. Now we need to fill out our nice little graph here. So down here on this line, this is going to be our pounds. Kind of messy there, sorry. And then up here is going to be our money. Okay, so over here, let's do a solid line for Sprouts. And you can do this differently if you want. Solid line for Sprouts, and we'll do a dotted line for Winco. That way we can tell them apart. Okay, so for Sprouts, 1 pound costs $2.50. So let's go and find 1 on the x-axis right here. And that's going to cost us how much? $2.50. So 2 is right here, and $2.50 would be halfway between 2 and 3. So that's just going to go right there. Where's our next dot going to go? Let's see, we have the 2 pounds, so 2 is going to be $5. So our 2 pounds here is going to be a 5 up here, so go all the way up here. So these are kind of like ordered pairs, right? So our next one would be $3 pounds and $7.50. So 3 comma 7.5. So 3 pounds and then 7.5 here. And let's put one more on there. We have 4 pounds and $10. So 4 pounds here, $10 here. We can't put the 5th one on there because it's going off the graph, so we'll just put the first 4 on there, and that is completely fine. Let's connect our dots. I've just got like a little Shutterfly coupon here, and it's going to make a nice straight line for me. All right, there we go. Now let's do Winco. Okay, so Winco, it looks like 1 pound is $2. So we go to the 1, and instead of going all the way up to $2.50, we're going to stop at the 2 here. 2 pounds is $4, so let's go to the 2 and then go up to $4. Okay, 3 pounds is $6, so go to the 3 up to 6. 4 pounds is $8, so go to the 4 and go all the way up to 8. And 5 pounds is $10, so we go to the 5 and all the way up to 10. Okay, I'm getting my nice straight edge again, and remember I'm going to do dotted lines this time, just to indicate Winco. But you can also use different colors, or you can just remember which is which, but it's kind of nice to show a difference. All right, there we go. We have our 2 graphs. Now we got to answer questions 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so 10, that one's on the quiz. We're going to skip that one. For 11, the Winco unit rate. So basically, to find your unit rate, look where the x is equal to 1 and see what the y is equal to. So let's see, first of all, this is the Winco. Okay, so where is x equal to 1? Right here. So what is y equal to when x is equal to 1? Let's look over here and find it. Looks like it's equal to $2 or 2.00. That's what I'm going to write down. 2.00. Okie dokie. And so which store sells the cheaper bulk candy? Well, this involves the quiz question, so I can't really tell you the answer, but I can tell you how to find it. You're going to compare this number with whatever number is here. And whichever one is cheaper is the answer here. So again, compare this unit rate with this one, and whichever one is a lower number, that's the name of the store you're going to put right here. Okay, if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.